Okay, see, I just have to do this for you. Let me show you something. I'm on phone, I'm not on laptop. I would have been able to expand very clearly. As you can see, let me come to the 4-hourly chart so that you can see something. On the 4-hourly, remember that when the market was doing an ABC move to the downside around this area from that 1939 we sold to $2,000, you know that this place was acting as what? Support and resistance. You remember this area? Are you getting it? This place was previous support that changed the character and broke and took us down all the way down to 1973. Are you getting it? Because $2,000 could not hold. So we had a major, let me put that support there. I'm coming. I need this to be very fast. Okay. Let me go to the daily and show you something. Remember that we had a major support at $2,000 area. Now we've broken that support at $2,000 to the upside, which was the morning star we were hoping for. Are you getting? Look at it now. If this market had closed above here, we have turned bullish with a morning star. So we were supposed to come and retest, are you getting it, the morning star, are you getting it, and continue going. But right now the way it's going, we must not reclaim. If you want to find a very good discount, if we must find a very good discount, this market must not reclaim. Let me go to the lower time frame, probably 2 hours. Are you seeing what is happening here right now? This previous support now turn resistance now. I'm coming. And see how are you seeing this previous, when the market was aggressively coming down to do this ABC correction? We've completed the ABC correction and it's supposed to go. Are you getting it? After taking all those liquidities from these areas, we took all those 20 something liquidity. Let me go to the fall. Are you getting it? After taking all those major liquidities at the top here from 2020 daily, are you getting it? After taking all these liquidities, I'll be talking about liquidities from the other side. After taking these 3 liquidities, are you getting it? The market was supposed to do what? An ABC move to the downside aggressively because that's taking all those markets out. Are you getting it? So that was why we got this ABC sell. This ABC sell all the way from $2,147 to 1973. So now it has completed that ABC move. So as long as it has completed that ABC move, this was the resistance, the last resistance we had. Are you getting it? After having that resistance, we came back, we couldn't break it. We came back, we couldn't break it. So that was that ABC move we got. So as it stands right now, I'm coming. As it stands right now, what next? These were the major resistance. Majorly on the other flip side, these are now the major resistance we have. The first one, 1973, we didn't break it to the downside. Do you know why we took this buy from 1973? Look at this flip side that broke the structure. What actually broke the structure? It was from here. We did a reversal that broke to the upside, then retested. Are you getting it? So this was what it used in switching this head and shoulders pattern and broke to the upside, and retested was what he used in switching to the upside to break the structure. That means that the market is not supposed to come back and break below it. Are you getting it? Because this was the area that shifted this market all this way to the upside. That was still a bullish structure. So we are not supposed to come back. Are you getting it? We are not supposed to come back to even break it to the downside if the bullish structure must continue. So this was your major entry if 19 could not hold. If $2,000 could not do what? Could not hold. So as it stands right now, if you are to take a decision, what decision will you take in this kind of trades? Let me take all these things off. Your decisions is either you are buying aggressively from $2,000, are you getting it? Or see if the market will come all the way down to where you switched from. That means I'll be putting this video on YouTube because I never knew it should be this long. Are you getting it? So that everybody can watch. I'm trying to do something for you. Are you getting it? So where was I? Okay. Where was I? So if $2,000 could not hold, the market will come back to as far as where the switch started from, which was 1973 area. Now it has gone into that switch. Are you getting this? We now found a lot of demands because this was where it got that demand that it used in breaking and taking those. So this was where he found that demand after reversing with a head and shoulders pattern retesting. This was where he found that demand that he used in breaking and taking as far as 2020 back. Are you getting? So there is no sell orders again in those 2020. So for you to do an ABC correction to the downside and find demand again from these areas, trust me, it is coming back. Are you getting? The reason why he sold was taking those those liquidities from 2020. So for it to come back and come here, it's going to come back and take all these liquidities again away. That's even up to 2,160 from where it is right now. So it's just for you to buy around this area from 1973, 1980 or 2000 and put your risk to it, put your stop loss below here. Let me just say, even though it's 400 pips. So as it stands right now, if it turns okay, I'm coming. Conclusively, if it turns 2040 that the ABC move started from into if it breaks that resistance to the upside, I'm coming. If it breaks resistance to the upside, it will turn this whole area to support. This is what I'm trying to get at. It will turn these whole areas to previous resistance, to break it and turn it to support again. As long as it's turning into support, you cannot take on that entry from these areas and put probably 200 pips to the downside to it, because if it breaks back, it will just come back here and form, come back to this this minor support on the lower time frame. Are you getting it? Which is at 2020, 2015. Then do a fake out and continue going. But all we know is that either way, even though you want to enter blindly, calculate your risk. Are you getting it? If you are using a one lot before, know that you now start entering 0.1, 0.2 lot until you finish entering all your one lot. Calculative. You just have to calculate. Trading is just brain. Are you getting it? Right now is brain work. So are you entering from here, or you are trying to wait for the lower time frame, probably the 30 minutes or the 15 minutes time frame, to see if we are going to reclaim here? Are you getting this support we have here to continue going, this 1935, 1940 support to continue going, or we are going to use it as a fake out and come back to 2020 or 2015? Are you getting it? To continue going. So decision making is very, very important. Me now, I don't have to do anything because all my trades are from 1973, 1980 and $2,000. So I don't even have anything to worry about anymore. It's people that don't have any trade on that should be worried about to find an entry. So these are sort of areas you should do what? Find entries from. Again, if you want to add more to your trade, or if you've not even added before. Are you getting it? These are sort of areas you should be looking for more entry. So for me, I don't even have any problem because I'm massively in profit. So is this place going to, turn to support, or is going to come as far as these areas to find another major support or minor support on a 0 point, what's it called? Because you're supposed to do a retracement now. The market can't just continue going up. We're supposed to do a what's it called? A Fibonacci retracement of 0.382 since it has switched back to the upside. And those areas are 2020 to 2018 to 2010. It's not even supposed to come back to 2010 again as it stands, even though it wants to do that fake out. Are you getting it? It's not supposed to come back to 2010. What should happen is, from here, from the way it switched from 1973 to maybe this place that is doing a fake out right now, for those people that wants to take an entry at 2040, are you getting it? It might just, do what? Come back down to 0.38, which is at 2018 right now. Are you getting it? It has moved from 2013 to 2015. From 2015, it's moving to 2018. So if you can retest here, taking those tighter stop losses, are you getting that? People that put inside maybe tie stop losses out, then continue to 2,100. So these are the manipulation process they use in taking a lot of people that does not know what is happening in the market out. So as it stands right now, we have 2020, 2018, 2015 retracement levels still playing. But don't underrate gold. If it turns this place into support, blah, say go be, we are going 2039, that was previous resistance. If it turns it into support, we are going to $2,200 area, because let me conclude it, because hold on, because let me go to the daily and show you something. This market, are you getting it? This market is doing what? An Elliott wave. 1, 2, 3 always break a major structure. 4, 5. Are you getting it? Because we must take this 2150 out. So I might even take profit at 2160. Are you getting it? I might take profit at 2160. But as it stands, the market is extremely what? Bullish. The only reason it came back was this liquidity it took. So look at this candle right now. This is a very, very, very huge morning star, even bigger than what we even expected. Are you getting it? So are we coming back to $2,000? I doubt. Because it does not really need to, do those, you getting it. Buy, this buy was massive yesterday, from 1973 all the way to 2025. It was massive. That's over how many thousand pips? Let me just say 500 pips to the upside. So if you are not in that trade yesterday and you are seeing this, what is happening right now, you should know that, okay, hold on, let me do something. Let me check something. From where we are right now, we came all the way to 0.786 discount entries. Look at it. Was it discount now? Discount entry. So we are going back to 0.782 right now. Conclusively, we are going back to 0. So we should use our Fibonacci trend extension to conclude this video. From here to here, are you getting it? From here to here, I'm coming. Let me conclude this. From here to here, we are coming back to 2140 or 2185. Are you getting it? The first take profit is 2100. Second, that's 0.618. The second take profit is 2140. But I know that we will still need to take out this one. So that's why I'm able to conclude. So I will just say, okay, probably for me not to be greedy to 2200, I might take 2150. Are you getting it, as my take profit? Are you getting it? So that's the conclusion. The market has been trending perfectly well. Or if you don't do a proper analysis, you will not find out all these things I've just done here. I just wanted to do a quick analysis for you and the team. But as it stands right now, if you have not taken an entry from those entries, now let me employ something else. Let me go to that gold chart and show you something else. My EMA was also there, showing me everything also. Look at this EMA. Look at this EMA. Okay, let me try and see if on that gold chart is there. Okay, look at this gold EMA. Look at this EMA. See what the EMA has been doing. The EMA has been supporting us all the way. 20 and 50 EMA. Look at it. This EMA supported us at 1939. Are you getting it? Now it came at 1980 to support us again. So the market is still bullish. Look at the crossover started from $1,900 area, and it's been finding support anytime it comes. It's finding support anytime it comes. So it will continue to find support and continue going. Are you getting it? Until what? Until this EMA fails and break to the downside, retest it and continue going down. So there are a lot of ways, there are a lot of strategies, a lot of signals, indicators that are actually showing you. So I use a lot of them, to conclude my trade. But as it stands right now, 1939 is turning into support. So if today close above 1939, I'm not seeing it coming back down anymore. Are you getting it? If today close above 1939, which was previous resistance before on the lower time frame, I'm not seeing it coming down anymore, except it wants to do a manipulation back to 2018 EM. Look at the EMA. Are you seeing it on the 2 hours? Let's even use the 4-hourly chart. Are you getting it? 4-hourly has not turned bullish yet. So we are supposed to, let me see. We're supposed to, come down. Are you getting it? This is oversold now, so you're never supposed to buy oversold on the fall. You're supposed to come down to this sort of areas. Are you getting it? And find support again. Are you getting it? We're supposed to find support again. they continue going. But as it stands, me, I don't care. I don't care anymore because all my trades are from this area, so we are not coming back to these areas. Are you getting it? Or even $2,000 areas. I don't know, it might happen, but as long as this is a switch back to the upside, it should end at 0.382. Are you getting the EMA? What's it called? I said hold on. The EMA. I'm coming. Oh God, I need to end this now. The EMA and your Fibonacci retracement tools will tell you what's up, but don't underrate that this was just an ABC correction to the downside. So it must not do this to continue going. It can just expand once because there's nothing holding it anymore. Are you getting it? So there are a lot of things I put into consideration whenever I'm doing my analysis. That's why you see that I am very, 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 huge, big in this. So conclusively, on the daily chart, let me take this EMA out so that it will not convince you. Conclusively, on the daily chart, we are doing Elliott wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Are you getting it? Then before we can now do a 2000, what's it called? A 2700 ABC move, a bigger ABC move to the downside to take out 4. We must take out 4. Are you getting it? 2700 pips again that will buy maybe in January to February. You getting it? Will sell from January to February to take 4 out. They continue on that leg of A 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to the upside. So these are the next moves that we might have for Q1 and Q2 2024. This is all I have for you today. Take care. Bye for now. Bye bye.